And when I use the term pickle, we're pickling a whole host of things. I even share with you how to make a thyme and honey pickled cough syrup. That's absolutely delicious. And I'm going to tell you something very cute. When the recipe tester who was in charge of that, and it was a chef, it was very cute because when he was preparing it, he was like, oh, I don't know how this is going to taste, you know? And then he made it and he tasted it, and it was cute because they give you a lot of feedback and notes. And he said, it was delicious, or something to that effect.